Dear students, I am Dr. Sashikant Tambrakar from Bharati College of Agricultural Engineering, Durg. I will teach theory of machine of BTech first year, second semester class. Next topic is kinematic chain. When kinematic pairs are coupled in such a way that the last link is joined to first link to transmit definite motion, that is completely or successfully constrained motion. It is called a kinematic chain. Here this is the model of reciprocating steam engine. Here crankshaft of an engine form a kinematic pair with bearing. Here this is crankshaft. This is crankshaft form a kinematic pair with the bearing, which are fixed in a pair. Here is some bearing and these are fixed in a pair. This is one pair. Now the connecting rod with crank form second pair. Connecting rod, this is connecting rod with the crank. Connecting rod and the crank. This one is crank, small. This one is crank. This is connecting rod. These are two linked. They form a second kinematic pair. Okay, this crank and connecting rod. These form a second pair. Then the piston with connecting rod. Here is the piston. This is the connecting rod. Piston and connecting rod form third pair. And the piston with cylinder. This is piston with the cylinder. This form the fourth pair. Now the total combination of these links is a kinematic chain. This is the very important steam engine for the kind of theory of machine. Different theories are involved here and we can discuss and understand different type of machines, crank, chain, kinematic chain. These all totally create combination. This combination create a kinematic chain. So here I have shown this called a kinematic chain. Combination of kinematic pair are joined in such a way that each link form a part of the two pair. Link having two pair, and the relative motion between the link or element is completely constrained. Okay, here the element is completely constrained. There is no relative motion between these elements. So the examples I have shown this, that the crankshaft of an engine form a kinematic pair with bearing. Okay, in bearing the crankshaft is fixed in the pair. Then the connecting rod with the crank, this is connecting rod. Okay, so this form the second kinematic pair. There is no relative motion between this connecting rod and the crank. Next, the piston with connecting rod form the third pair, and the piston with cylinder form the fourth pair. All these combinations have mixed together. The total combination of these links is a kinematic chain. Number of kinematic pairs are connected, so that is called kinematic chain. Here, if each link is assumed to form two pairs, means two pairs form a link with two adjacent links. Okay, adjacent two link. This is one pair and one link here, two adjacent link. Then the relation between the number of pairs, P, forming a kinematic chain. and number of links means number of pair have more than one link, and number of links L may be expressed in the form of an equation. These may be represented as a form of equation. Here L equal to 2p minus 4. L is number of link. Number of link is 2p, number of pairs minus 4. Since a kinematic chain, each link forms a part of two pairs. Each link, one link, if one is connected here and one is connected here, so one link may be part of two pairs. This may make a part of this also, and this link also make a part of this also. So any link form a part of two pairs. Any link form a part of two pairs. Therefore, there will be as many links as number of pairs. If number of pairs are increased, then number of links also increase. Or number of links increase, then number of pairs also increase. Another relation between the number of links L and number of joint J is that which constitute the kinematic chain is given by the expression J equal to 3 by 2 L minus 2, where J is number of joints and L is number of links. Here equation 1 and equation 2 are applicable only to kinematic chain in which lower pair are used. Generally, this is used for the lower pair, but it can be also used in the higher pair also. The equation can also be used in the higher pair also, when higher pair may be taken as equivalent to two lower pair. Okay, any higher pair is replaced by two lower pair with additional element, and one additional element is used for the calculation purpose. Now, considering some examples, consider the arrangement of three links AB, BC, CA, AB, BC and CA. Three links are there with pin joint A, B and C, three pin joint. Number of links are here, 3 link, 1, 2, 3. Number of pairs is 3 pair, 1 pair, 2 pair and 3 pair. Pair means at least 2 members are there are called pair. Number of joints are A, B, C, 3 joints. Now, putting the values in equation 1, L equal to P minus 4. L is 3, 2 into P is pair is 3 and minus 4. So this is 3 is greater than 2. 3 plus 6 minus 4 is 2. So here left hand side is greater than right hand side. Now applying second equation, J equal to 3 by 2 L minus 2. Putting the values here, J is 3, 3 by 2 into 3 minus 2. This comes 2.5 and left side is 3. Okay, here also left hand side is greater than right hand side. Here the arrangement does not satisfy equation 1 or 2. Here left hand side are greater than right hand side values. This is not a kinematic chain. If these are equal, then that will be kinematic chain, but here left hand side is greater than right hand side, so this is not a kinematic chain. These are not a kinematic chain. No relative motion is possible. Here no relative motion between these points are possible, so this is called locked chain. This type of chain is called locked chain and form a rigid frame. This is called rigid frame or structure. This is also called rigid frame or structure, which is used in bridges and truss. This type of structure mainly used in the bridges and truss, that is railway bridge. You might have seen the railway bridge and trusses of different industries also. Now we will consider the arrangement for the link. If you consider the arrangement for 4 link, and if they are A, B, then B, C and A, D. If 4 links are there, and join this also, this is A, B, C and D. Here we will consider the arrangement for 4 link AB, BC, CD and DA. 4 links are there. Now number of link L equal to 4. Okay. Then number of pair, 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair and 4 pair. So number of pair is also 4. And number of joints, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of joints is also 4. Okay. So from equation 1, we know equation 1, L equal to 2p minus 4. That is L equal to 2p minus 4. This is 4 equal to 2 into 4 minus 4. This is 8 minus 4. So 4 equal to 4. This satisfies the first equation. Okay, L equal to 2p minus 4. Here left hand side is equal to right hand side. 4 equal to 4, left hand side equal to right hand side. Here it is possible that we can rotate this in this position, and so at the same time this thing you will also rotate like this. This will be the chances of rotation of this type of links. So this is one of the flexible type of link. This is link 1, link 2, link 3 and link 4. Okay. So here applying the second equation 2. Now J equal to 3 by 2L minus 2. Here number of times are 4 equal to 3 by 2 into number of links are 4, 2, 2 is 2, 4, 3 to 6 minus 2. So 4 equal to 4, left hand side equal to right hand side. Now this satisfies both the equation. Since this arrangement of 4 links as shown here in the figure satisfy equation 1 and 2, therefore it is a kinematic chain of 1 degree of freedom. Kinematic chain of 1 degree of freedom. Degree of freedom. A chain in which a single link such as AD, this one is AD, in figure this is sufficient to define the position of all other links. If we rotate this link in this direction, anti-clockwise direction, then this whole link will shift to this side. it is then called a kinematic chain. Then AD, keeping the line link AB, this AB we fix, then the relative displacement of remaining two links BC and CD are also perfectly definite. If we fix one link AB, then we rotate this AD like this, then BC also rotate like this, and CD is like in this position. So if we fix AB, then the relative displacement of remaining two links BC and CD, this BC and CD are also perfectly definite with reference to the AD. Thus we see that in a 4-bar chain, 4-bar chain, this is 4 bars are there, 4 links are there, the relative motion is completely constrained. Relative motion is completely constrained, hence it may be called as a constrained kinematic chain. This is called constrained kinematic chain. Okay, and it is the basis of all the machines. Number of machines are developed in this frame, this type of working. Okay, the main concept, main theory of the machine depends on this. Okay, number of machines have developed on this theory. Next is consider an arrangement of 5 links as AB. 5 links are there. 5 links. AB, BC, CD, DE, and last one is E. This is link 1, link 2, link 3, link 4, and link 5. So here number of links equal to 5, number of pairs equal to 5, and number of joins is also equal to 5. Now from equation 1, that is L equal to 2p minus 4, so this is 5 equal to 2 into 5 minus 4, that is equal to 10 minus 4 is 6. So left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Left hand side is lesser than right hand side here. Okay, now the equation we are applying equation 2. Equation 2, J equal to 3 by 2 L minus 2. Here J is 5 equal to 3 by 2 and L is also 5 minus 2. So this is 3 5 is 15, 15 by 2 7.5 and 7.5 minus 2 5.5. So equal to 5.5. Here also left hand side is greater than right hand side. Lesser than right hand side. This 5 is greater. This 6 is greater. Here see the arrangement of 5 links as shown in figure does not satisfy the equation, and the left hand side is less than the rigid right hand side. Therefore it is not a kinematic chain. This is not a kinematic chain. This is not a kinematic chain. Such a type of chain is called unconstrained chain. Unconstrained chain. Unconstrained chain. That is, relative motion is not completely constrained. Relative motion is not completely constrained. Here, this is unconstrained chain and relative motion is not completely constrained. This type of chain is of little practical importance. They are having little practical importance. ठीक है, इनका ज़्यादा यूज नहीं होता है. ठीक है. Then next type we have to do next type. Okay, next type we will consider an arrangement of 6 link. 6 link are there. Okay, this chain is formed by adding 2 more links in such a way that these 2 links form a pair with the existing link as well as form themselves a pair. Here this diagram can be made like A, B, and C and D. Okay, this we have studied. ABCD full body. This is having 6 links are there. 6 links are there. ABCD are the original link, L1, L2, L3, L4, and we add here 3 more links, BE, then EF, and this FG. Okay, FG. Here this is link 5 and link 6. Okay, so here 6 links are connected. Now if some force is applied here, then this F can go in this position, F dash, shift in this position. This point G shift like this one is G dash, and point C shift like this, C dash. So this G and C, G and F, and this is C dash. So this D can also shift like that. So this is D dash, and C dash. Okay, and this C dash, G dash, and this is B, and this G dash is connected to A. Means giving some load here, this point F, this can shift like this, F position. So because of this load, this C can also shift here and D can also shift here. This type of arrangement we have to study. This is a 6 link arrangement, link 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 5 and 6. Here is 6 links are arranged here. Here number of link equal to 6, number of poles pairs equal to 5 pairs, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one is 5 that can freely move. And number of joints are 7 joints are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 joints are there. This is some complex type of link. Now here applying the equation 1, L equal to 2p minus 4, L is 6 equal to 2 into p is 5 minus 4, that is 2 5 is 10 minus 4, 10 minus 4, that is equal to 6, correct. Left hand side is equal to right hand side, so this satisfies equation 1. Then equation 2, J is equal to 3 by 2 L minus 2. The number of joints are 7 equal to 3 by 2, and L link are 6 links are there minus 2. So this is 7 equal to 2 and 2, 3 are 6, 9 minus 2 is 7. Here also left hand side equal to right hand side. Since the arrangement of 6 is as shown in figure, satisfy the equation left hand side to right hand side. Therefore, it is a kinematic chain. This one is also kinematic chain, because this satisfies equation 1 and 2. A chain having more than 4 links is known as compound kinematic chain. More than 4 link is called compound kinematic chain. अभी तक हमने जितना सब स्टडी किया उसके बाद आप देख के बहुत खुश रहेंगे। इतनी सारी मशीनें सब बनी हुई हैं और बहुत सारी जो हैं वो 4 बार पे बनी हुई हैं। ठीक है, तरह तरह की मशीनें होती हैं, तरह तरह की उनकी वर्किंग होती है, बहुत सारी 4 बार पे है। ये उससे आगे का है 6 बार वाला, 6 लिंक वाला उससे आगे का है। ठीक है, तो ये हम लोग आगे और डिस्कस करेंगे नेक्स्ट क्लासेस में। थैंक यू।